I pledge allegiance
to
the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Around 2004, we began to see an influx of immigrants coming into our Mission Hill office asking if we could help them to become U.S. citizens, and we began to investigate about what a nonprofit agency can do to provide this service legally in the city of Boston. And from there, we found out about the Board of Immigration Appeals, where we went for accreditation, and that basically means that we can act as attorneys on behalf of immigrants in the city. And this particular accreditation comes about because the U.S. government wants low-income communities that are immigrants to have access that are fair and that are affordable to the immigrants of this community.
Immigration services, they have done tremendous work. They have provided so many immigrants with the services for getting their green cards, for getting citizenships, and citizenship leads to jobs. And that's the best social service program that there is. The expansion is a natural progression. It's something that's important to ABCD. We've provided our folks, our case managers, with a lot of different trainings, and we've partnered with a lot of agencies that do this training. And we are now in several neighborhoods throughout the city of Boston because it's not a Spanish thing, it's not a Haitian Creole thing, it's a people thing. And what we are trying to do is to reach all the different groups.
La visa, que necesitamos hacer uno para tu mamá y uno para...
What I do is free immigration help. So we help them apply for naturalization, we help them fill out petitions to bring their family members from another country, and we help them with this completely free for people who qualify for our services. So people who otherwise would have no access to an attorney can talk to me for free.
Solo es la prueba que tú eres un ciudadano y que Leonardo también es un ciudadano o residente.
Él es ciudadano.
Perfecto.
And our success rate has been fantastic in having the people qualify for the fee waivers and also finishing up and making sure they become citizens and that they follow through with their petitions to bring their family members over from their country of origin. We're not just helping them up front, but they're helping them throughout the entire process to make sure that they finish and they're proud of where they are in the end.
Okay, so you use these words then to fill in these blanks. For example, in number one, what kind of word is this, number one? Live. What letter is missing? E. When they first start, I supply them with materials for the class. We have a textbook for them and flashcards that they study with. Students are required to know the answers to 100 questions, of which they have to be able to answer 6 correctly. There are 10 lessons over the 10 weeks. And in those 10 lessons, we cover both the history of the United States and government-related lessons.
Tengo amigos, amistades que ya han estado en ABCD y ellos pues me dejaron saber que podía venir aquí porque aquí en ABCD pues ayudaban mucho a las personas y había un programa muy bueno. Antes de yo ingresar aquí a ABCD, pues yo no podía, para leer había cosas que no entendía, sobre todo cómo conjugar los verbos y esas cosas. Y no entendía mucho cuando me hablaban, había muchas palabras que no conocía. Entonces después la comunicación pues se ayudó bastante. I feel really good about it.
Well, it was very hard as a mother. After all these years, you're unable to actually have this child here with you. You see other kids and you think about your own. And I used to see a lot of kids that look like him, and it would make me kind of happy on the inside, but yet sad. ABCD really made it possible for us to reunite after all these years. I don't think it could have happened without them.
Since I'm here, I've seen a big difference because I got myself involved in some good things. I'm waiting to be shipped out to the Navy in September. So I've done a lot since I've been here. I guess I can make my family proud and doing something with myself.
Todo el personal es muy amable desde que uno llega. Las cosas se le hacen bien fáciles porque todos explican claramente el proceso. Fue bastante cómodo para mí, o sea, obtener la ciudadanía a través de la institución.
It's very hard in this country to have the resources and the right timing in order to become a U.S. citizen, and that's what ABCD hopes to do across the city. We want to be able to reach out to all of the immigrants across the city of Boston and let them know that we are here to help you. We are here to help you have a voice, here to help you become a U.S. citizen.
We helped over 200 clients complete their applications. They were able to have their citizenship done within 5 months, and they were American citizens.
I got my GED with assistance through ABCD. I started college because ABCD motivated me to do so. And then I started doing SummerWorks. And then after SummerWorks, I was hired. I was running the ABCD SNAP for a couple of years. And then I started working at Dorchester, and now I'm at the Boston Hispanic Center. I grew as a person, but I'm also helping clients and motivating others to do the same. Immigration services is a need that many families are looking for. It's just so difficult financially to meet the needs to pay the high fee that immigration is charging at the moment. So a program like this where the community can feel comfortable coming in, getting advice on immigration-related issues is definitely a need.
I'm very excited that this program came about and that other people jumped in the bandwagon and said, I want to do this too, and now it's expanding all over Boston. I'm looking forward to say that ABCD had a lot to do with the many, many citizens that are in this community and all the people that are voting, that are bringing families together, and that are getting government jobs, and that's what ABCD wants to do through this program.